Hello people! In this episode of Grandma Hacks, we're diving into a fantastic recipe that combines the goodness of bananas and cinnamon to help you get that well-deserved rest. Bananas, rich in potassium and magnesium, play a crucial role in improving sleep quality. Coupled with the soothing properties of cinnamon, this tea is a game-changer. Struggling with poor sleep quality? Try this tea. Our overall health and well-being are significantly influenced by getting a good night's sleep. Adequate quality sleep at the right time helps protect your mental and physical health, quality of life, and safety. During sleep, the brain has enough time to process and maintain your physical health. Therefore, sleep improves our concentration, enhances the brain's ability to clean itself, and rejuvenates your body. On the other hand, poor sleep can be the result of several factors, but the most common causes are poor eating habits, anxiety, mineral deficiencies, and lifestyle. Lack of sleep leads to a lack of energy, depression, weakness, illness, and an increased risk of high blood pressure. Recent studies have revealed some concerning numbers, with 50 to 70 million Americans suffering from sleep disorders and poor sleep. This explains why so many people feel irritable and suffer from constant fatigue. However, there's a natural way to help in this situation. Today, we'll show you how to consume bananas and cinnamon in the form of tea before bedtime, which will help you address sleep issues. These two ingredients have a very favorable effect on our health and body. Bananas are a rich source of potassium and magnesium, which are minerals that lead to improved sleep quality. These minerals also help relax muscles and blood vessels and counteract the negative effects of excessive cortisol, anxiety. Bananas also contain the amino acid tryptophan, which helps increase serotonin levels, which influence sleep quality. The second component of this recipe, cinnamon, contains amazing essential oils such as eugenol, a chemical element in the phenylpropanoid class, which gives a sweet, pleasant aromatic scent, as well as vitamin A, pantothenic acid, niacin, and pyridoxine. This spice is also very beneficial for your health as it soothes and relaxes the body. Additionally, it aids digestion and improves blood circulation. Ingredients: 1 banana, pinch of cinnamon, 1 liter of water. Preparation: pour water into a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. Slice the banana and add it to the boiling water. Organic bananas can be used with the peel. Let it boil for 10 minutes, then strain it into a cup or mug. Now, add a pinch of cinnamon and enjoy its amazing properties. Usage: consume this remarkable tea an hour before bedtime. Remember to share this helpful tip with your friends who could use a good night's sleep. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Grandma Hacks for more amazing natural remedies and life hacks. Sweet dreams, everyone!